Yes, absolutely. UNice did not come to play with this packaging. Before I get into the details and the specifications of this wig, I definitely want to highlight how freaking cute the packaging is. I can definitely tell that UNice took their time to put the packaging together. They even included a satin storage bag to store your wig in, some matching press on nails, and this really cute set of 10 eyelashes. And of course, they include some other goodies to help you install your wig, but I really love how cute and on point their branding is. Now, the name of this unit is definitely a mouthful, so bear with me. If you go to search for it on the website, it is called the Sophiology approved Unice Bye Bye Knots Wig 7x5 Glueless Lace Body Wave Wig with pre-bleached knots, plucked hairline, and 180% density. Oh my gosh, that was a mouthful. But I do have this unit and the 24-inch. It also comes in 5 other lengths, and you can also choose to purchase this wig with or without baby hair. My wig does not come with baby hair, as you can see. And pretty much everything about this wig is mentioned in its actual name. This unit does come with pre-cut lace and it has a zigzag edge that's meant to help the lace blend in better with your scalp. It also comes pre-bleached with invisible knots. That's why they call it the bye-bye knots. You cannot see any knots on this lace. And it also comes pre-plucked to sort of mimic your natural hairline. The cap construction on this unit is meant to be glueless, completely 100% glueless. There is a very sticky perimeter going all the way around the wig. There is also an adjustable elastic band, and that elastic band also has 3 different slots on the side of the wig that you can move it to, if that makes sense. So you can move the elastic band closer to or further away from the closure on this unit. And with this wig, Unice is giving us a little bit more parting space. Most closure wigs only have about 5x5, but this closure on this unit is a 7x5, so you have about 2 extra inches of parting space within the hairline. So you can part this wig anywhere within the closure. The wig does come parted straight down the middle, but I'm not much of a middle part girl, so I did end up changing the part to a side part because I just think that's the most flattering on me. I did not change or do anything to the texture of this unit. I kept it exactly how it was straight out of the box because I wanted y'all to see what I was seeing, all of the body and the volume of this wig. You can definitely tell that it is 180% density. I even had to go in with my hot comb at the roots just because there was so much volume, and that was just to help it lay flat and look a little bit, less poofy at the roots. And other than styling this wig, for my personal preference, I would say the install was pretty easy, very simple. I did tighten the elastic band as tight as it would go, and there is a comb at the nape of the neck at the back of this wig to help it stay secure. But I did not have to use any glue, any gel, or hairspray to secure this unit. I think the combination of a sticky edge around the perimeter and being able to move the elastic band really help it from like sliding all over the place. And I didn't mention it before, but I do want to mention that there are no combs in the front of this unit. There's only one comb and it's at the very back. I actually like that about this wig because honestly, the combs that they normally put at the front of wigs has actually been pulling my hair out a little bit. So I'm actually loving this trend. I've noticed a few other wig companies are making glueless wigs without so many combs. And I love it because the combs aren't necessary to keep the wig in place. I think a good elastic band is just fine. So I was asked to show y'all what the wig looks like curled because I showed it to you in its natural state. So I did curl the unit with my curling iron. I used a 1-inch curling rod to curl it. Now I'm not the best at curling hair, but I think I did a pretty good job. This is what the curls look like. And it actually took me a while because this is a lot of hair. 24 inches. 180% density, this is a lot of hair. For those are all of the details of this wig. You guys can let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoy this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Doing so helps my videos to get the visibility that they need and helps me get better opportunities in the future. Of course, all of the information for this wig will be listed in the description box below. Again, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. Hopefully, I will see you all in the next one.